raindrops on my window and shadows on the wall. No more dreams to hold me rise, no more stars to call. Laying in the silence where echoes never fall. Everything's a memory that time tries to stall. Whispers of the night spin secrets in the haze. Journey through the darkness in a never-ending maze. Countless sleepless nights wrapped in sorrow's days. Heartbeats slow like footsteps in a world of grace. Cry a little longer, let the tears flow free. Drown in melancholy waves till the hurt leaves me. Every broken piece, a part of who I'll be. In the sea of sadness, adrift and lost at sea.